This capstone assignment 4, we focus on global freshwater resources. And the threat that I am looking at in this region is drought, more specifically within Niger. Well, based on the IPCC report that was released early on this year, we can expect dry areas to become drier and wet areas to become more wet. And the Niger is one of those areas that are more vulnerable to becoming more dry in the, via the increased occurrence of droughts. But why is this area more vulnerable? Because this area lies at the mid latitudes where atmospheric subsidence is enhanced, that increases the amount of dry, warm air that is pushed towards the surface, making it a more arid climate in comparison to its southern counterparts like Nigeria and Western coastal Africa. So going back to Niger now, what are the environmental impacts we can expect to see in Niger? Well, this area is already arid and terrestrial biodiversity isn't as prominent or prevalent as its southern counterpart. So we can expect a drying to push species towards the south or areas that have more water or freshwater resources. So therefore, this drought will decrease terrestrial biodiversity. Also, the increase in the occurrence of droughts can affect humans within this area in the form of water conflicts. Because as droughts increase, food becomes more scarce and also water, fresh water also becomes more scarce. A solution to this problem would be to build dams and wells to collect the water when it is available, so in times of drought, it's easily accessible.